Today we are out here supporting Housing and Education Alliance. Back on October 22nd, we had a disaster event to help families recover, and we had lines around the block. And so we really got to see the need. We talked to our partners. HEA was one of them. They came out and supported us, and so we are here to support them.
This event is called Together We Rise. We have food trucks here to give them meals. We have resources. We have baby diapers, baby formula, cases of water that people can have. There's still people hurting. There's still homes that were flooded, and there's still a lot of people that either are doubled up with family, sleeping in their cars. Some people even lost their cars. So we're trying to alleviate a little bit of the sadness and the tragedy that's happened here.
Todo se perdió en mi casa, todo se perdió carro, se perdió todo, se perdió cama, se perdió lavadora, todo. Y yo quisiera ver si me pueden ayudar en todo eso porque no es fácil.
Estamos aquí hoy para soportar a todos los que han estado afectados, la importancia de que ellos sepan que la comunidad está detrás de ellos y quiere ayudarlos en todas las maneras posibles. Estamos muy contentos de poder ver las sonrisas de todas las personas que han estado afectados cuando están recibiendo la ayuda que les estamos dando aquí y ver que estamos haciendo una diferencia en su momento de necesidad.
You can't put a price on the feeling that you get in your heart when you're helping somebody. You can't put a dollar value on it.